Oh wait, that's not supposed to be an Evil Dead subject in this episode?
But I love the Evil Dead.
Oh, I'll do the Evil Dead video, if that any makes you happy. Hello guys, my name is HorrorFXman here, and I'm here to show you in this video is my homemade Ash vs. Evil Dead chainsaw, screen accurate. So if you want to stay here and continue watching this video, stay tuned. Now this is the chainsaw you all guys are seeing, and before I end the video, I'll give you a close-up reviews right after I give a bunch of shout-outs to anyone out there who is becoming more successful. Brett Screwy's Chainsaws, Nick Valenza, and Nick Salmart, and EvilDeadChainsaws.com. So 3 shoutouts for you guys. And now, for the rest of the video, I'm going to be ending it with the close-up shots. Stay tuned.